Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll answer the question if you need to use the proprietary power adapter from Samsung to charge your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the answer to this question is actually no, because for instance, you don't even have a power adapter in your phone box if you buy it. And if we flip the box, we'll be able to find the information that if first of all you don't have it in, and that your power adapter just has to be somewhere between 10 and 45 watts. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.